Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
I want to show you something. Remember last month when I posted what I'm about to post right now? Here's for me the part that kills me, right? This is the part that is my favorite. uJacinta Ungizwe as well as uPhakela Mthakathi, and this explains everything for me. See, they are counting on the masses. If anything happens to them, they're counting on the masses, right? The masses are going to protect them. Now imagine on the people who you're counting on to protect you and saying, no, it's fine. She's going to go to prison. She can survive the prison. This explains why they changed. Because at first they thought maybe if they do what they're doing right. Yo, guys, you just made my morning. Yes. See, they thought that they could get the masses right to protect them. But imagine when the people who you're depending on are saying, no, we trust them. They will handle, give them the prison sentence. This now explains why Ungizwe, Phakela Mthakathi and Jacinta have now changed their rhetoric. Because babona ukuthi Labantu are not going to protect us. So they did everything that they did, thinking and hoping that they're going to get the masses to protect them. But the masses are saying, I know. They're very strong. They can take the prison. Now, I want you to listen to this post right now. I want you to listen to this.
Kodwa ayifani ingane eshayiwe ingane engakashawa sengingakashawa mina uzokhumbula ukhosini inxoshwa ngo-2017 ngo-2017
November 2024
kwahlangana abantu kwakusafika uFacebook kwahlangana abantu bathi bazomasha bethi mina ngangibuyiswele ukhosini ngaba nethemba lokuthi cha impela kunjalo into eyenzeka ukuthi kwafika ugadla nabantu abawu10 ihebe lingaka elalibhalwa umasipala evumela ukuthi abantu bemashe mina angingekho mina emashini ngoba ukhalazwa ngami angithi yabona angikwazi ukuba ingxenye mina ngithi mina ngiyimashela mina mawubuka ama numbers la online ngaba nethemba elikhulu kakhulu lokuthi hayi impela ayike impela kube kuyinyaka emashi kwafika abantu abawu10 uyayiholo ugadla yedwa ekhali inyembeze ekhulu Street lapha amaphoyisa ayemaningi okudlula abantu abamasha
ugadla mfumana ngithi
ugadla mfumana Nxumalo and leyo nto leyo yanginikeza experience ukuthi abantu lapha
kunjalo
abantu bashiyana endleleni
kunjalo
kwazoba isigameko sokuboshwa kwami ngo-2021 mangiboshwa abantu ngabagcina mhlazana ngiphuma ngebhayili inkulungwane zengihlangabezile zangithwala ngantathe emoyeni kodwa emveni kwalokho sosuyazi sasihamba sodwa mntaka baba silala endleleni
lapho umiqiniso lapho besilokhu esintshela ningasilaleli besilokhu esintshela sithi njengoba seshintshile manje nokuzofundile ukuthi abantu ngeke uzobathembe uthe usondela u30 June babona ukuthi sizosala sodwa kule mess lena thina sizosala sodwa bakhipha ama parachute abantu bathi ngeke bonke noJacinta bathi babhayini angeke sishe because babonile ukuthi yebo kuzokwenzeka konke kuzokwenzeka ngo30 June kodwa ubani abazosala necala Ungizwe kade isho lento le ethi nizofaka mina banisukelile nihlalele njengomzansi benihlalele minding your own business as South Africa banisukela uJacinta uPhakela Mthakathi kanye naye Ungizwe lo all three banisukelile sebeyangichazela manje ukuthi why they left you why benisukelile bantshela ukuthi isukumani nihambe niyolwa and then manje mase kuze u-30 June la kumele ngabe nenze abanihlohleyo ukuthi niyenze manje kuyibona sebethi no guys yekani cimani ngoba bayazi ngeke baze banithembe nini bayazi benisukelelani pho because besisho lokho thina ukuthi musani kubasukuba lento enivusayo umlilo izoshisa izwe lonke manje they realized in the middle of it ukuthi hey bonak what are we doing nobody said ungizwe must do what they were doing but begibela amahashi manje they realizing ukuthi man they can't trust you as South Africa bonke ungizwe because all of them now were doing damage control because they sat down and they realized the gravity nangu uyavuma manje ukuthi no ufundile kubantu ukuthi ngeke azanithembe because namshiya ngo-2017 aphinde namshiya futhi wafaka igwababa kuphakela umthakathi wafaka igwababa kuJacinta that's why no Jacinta labo were doing damage control bonke nophakela umthakathi were doing damage control ngoba they knew what was coming right now abanye abantwana bazoboshwa people are gonna get arrested this is not a game uyasho manje ukuthi yazini we couldn't proceed because angifundile ukuthi ngo-2017 the crowds left me hanging ngaphinde futhi ngafunda nango-2021 ukuthi hayibu the crowd left me hanging you understand lokho ngithi now the question that is ngizwe wazi kahle ukuthi you're not going to see this thing through why usukele because ufundile ngithi why are you still animating the crowds why are you still mobilizing if you know ngizwe ukuthi abantu bazolimala and again uzobashiya because uma sisiqala manje sekufika unqamula juqu wena oqala obalekayo uma sisezisha ngempela wena oqala ogijimayo ubaleke nakhona futhi even nakwimash wena ubiza amaphoyisa usugijima namaphoyisa manje but all along wena kade uyivusa lento lena abantu batsukelile behlalele sinikhuza sithi guys musani ukususa lento izolimaza iSouth Africa uyilimazile manje neSouth Africa uphakathi kwento wabona ukuthi wakhumbula wayengakhumbulanga eqaleni ukuthi bakwenzani before nizoqhubeka nilokho enilandela lento guys siyanikhuza
At this point, I'm asking myself, who was fooling who? Because, well, guys, a lot happened at Cleverton. Ongizwe is here actually explaining why he just went mute, why he never made a lot of noise like he started. He even gave an example on what happened last time when he was fired at the radio station where he was working, and people had to do these marches so that he get back to work, and guess what? It did not work out. So now he's actually saying that he does not trust you. Which I understand him, guys. Like, I understand him 100%. Even like, I wish they actually realized these things earlier on and just cancel everything, because the damage that they've made, the damage that they've done, guys, it's just too much. Ungizwe have got cases that are just crazy. And guys, a lot is just unfolding at this point. A lot. I just feel like they should have realized this earlier on instead of realizing this later on and then just cut everyone at the end of the journey, and just went mute without saying anything, which Jacinta was saying on her social media accounts. Say, guys, please avoid violence by all means. But guess what? She would still see those people doing the lootings, people baiting people on the streets, people, it's just crazy, because truly speaking, if I can say I've ever seen Jacinta beating people on the streets, I will be lying. Like, I will be lying, guys. I've never seen her beating people on the streets. It's always people that claim to be under March and March, which is just something else. And these people that are looting, they will always say, no, we are looting so that they can go. Like, what do you mean? What are you saying? Someone have to account for all those lootings, for all those damages that they were done. People now are going door to door, like, destroying the properties. Who's going to pay for those properties, guys? Who's going to pay for the properties?